Hi, this is Jake at Optery. In this video, we'll show you how to remove your info from ThatsThem step by step. Go to their homepage, enter your name in the city and state you currently live in, and click the search button. Find your profile in the search results. Copy your name, address, phone numbers, and email address as they appear in the profile listing. Scroll down to the bottom of the search results page and click the opt-out link. Next, enter the requested information into the opt-out form that you copied from your profile. Complete the security CAPTCHA and hit the submit button. An on-screen notification will appear confirming your opt-out request. Your profile will be removed within 5 to 7 business days. Congratulations on opting out of ThatsThem. You have taken a simple but important step towards reclaiming your privacy. However, there are hundreds of people search sites. They are constantly changing, and it's nearly impossible to stay on top of these data brokers. That is why Optery offers the free exposure report. The exposure report shows screenshots from sites that have your data with links to let you see that data right on the site. Use the exposure report and our how-to guides to opt yourself out for free, or sign up for an Optery paid plan, and Optery will handle the monitoring and removals for you and your family members. Bonus tip: if you're a business owner worried about the security of your employees, we also have Optery for Business. Go to optery.com to sign up for your free exposure report.